ODM search for 2027 flag bearer draws unexpected interest. The renewed attention comes at a time when ODM is navigating a delicate transition period marked by internal realignments, evolving alliance and debates over its role in the current political landscape. While the party has historically relied behind a central figure, recent signals from within suggest a broader field of potential contenders is emerging. Party insiders say the unexpected interest reflects both confidence in ODM national appeal and uncertainty over succession planning. Several senior figures and allies have openly hinted at their readiness to step forward should the party open up the nomination process, widening a debate that had largely remained speculative. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe for more information.